It's time to celebrate the muddiest season of the year, mud season. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. If you've had a snowy winter, you're either enjoying or about to enjoy mud season when the snow turns brown from soil and other filth. Let's pay tribute to this so-called fifth season with booze and ice cream. There's no avoiding mud season, but this classic libation, the mud pie, from 1970's 30th printing of the Bartender's Guide will make it seem a lot lovelier. To make it, all you do is muddle 1/2 of a sugar cube, 2 dashes of Peychaud's bitters, and 4 dashes of curaçao in an old-fashioned glass with a large ice cube. Serve with 1½ ounces of whiskey on the side, adding the whiskey as you see fit. It's a thing of beauty. This ice cream confection looks just like a patch of dirty snow, but tastes a lot better. To make it, all you do is shake shredded coconut with a few drops of chocolate liqueur, then some Ovaltine until it looks filthy. Sprinkle more Ovaltine over either vanilla or your favorite white ice cream, then sprinkle with the coconut. It's ugly, but it's good, just like mud season. The snow may be brown in disturbing shades of gray, but that means that spring is on the way, so here's to mud season. The flowers and trees will be back soon.
Ish, and we can't wait.
Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to visit our Facebook page for lovely libations, liquored up live broadcasts, and more. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.
See you soon.